Number one is through education. I want to be remembered as someone who made others better by teaching them. This tripod enabled me to go really low kasi sulit siya. It's for me the Benro brand that pushed me to do that kasi alam ko kaya ng tripod. So yun. My background really is in sports photography. Doon ako nagsimula. Kasi I was an athlete growing up. My kids are athlete. So doon ako na-attract. Yun ang first ever subjects ko. Sports events, games, tournaments. What I do remember was the first ever tripod I bought was Benro. I was walking in the mall. I saw a store selling a Benro tripod. And the first thing that I noticed was it was much lighter. You know, looked good, sturdy. My first ever Benro tripod attracted me because it was very light. Etong twist lock, nung nakita ko, sabi ko, oh, ibang klase. Madaling gamitin, kakaiba, you know, something new. And then, sabi ko parang even I can service it. Let's say, masingitan ng dumi o medyo gumaspang, pwede kong baklasin, kaya ko. Benro had many models, different sizes. You had the choice from between aluminum and carbon. And another thing that I liked about Benro was the availability. Ang daling maghanap ng Benro noon. Nakakapag-service na sila ng Benro tripods. May mga piyesa na. Pag nawalan ka ng paa, nawalan ka ng lock, kaya nilang palitan. Yun, that's it. Well, there's one, yung kinikwento ko na I think I sent you a photo of me shooting waterfalls na nandito yung tubig. I'll be really honest, no, hindi ko gagawin sa ibang tripod yun. I don't have the confidence in it that it will do the job or maayos pa siya pag-ahong ko. It's for me the Benro brand that pushed me to do that kasi alam ko kaya ng tripod. So yun, enhance my shooting experience. And of course, yung confidence ko sa kanya. Through the years, a Benro tripod has never failed me. The whole relationship. And another thing, syempre, the support through the years. Yung photography ko, I don't think it would be this way or I wouldn't have reached what I've reached if not for the support of brands like Benro. Kasi they helped me grow eh. To the CMJ and Benro team, happy 30th anniversary and congratulations on this milestone. I'm so glad to have been part of the Benro family for the past 16 years. Ang dami na nating pinagdaanan, no? Ang dami kong kwento with Benro, mga ginawa nating gimmicks, projects, mga napuntahan natin. Yung mga produkto nyo, nakatulong sa photography ko. No? I won't be the photographer I am today without your products and your support. Maraming salamat.